Meditation is nothing but falling in love with your higher self.
Es sencillamente el enamoramiento con tu yo soy.
Nityanandeshwara samarambam Nityanandeshwari madhyamam Asmadacharya paryantam Vande Guru Paramparam. इस समय हमारे साथ उपस्थित सभी दर्शकों और भक्तों का मैं प्रेम एवं आशीर्वाद सहित स्वागत करता हूं. I welcome all the devotees,
Les doy la
disciples,
bienvenida.
samajis, satsangis, visitors, viewers, Sri Mahants, Mahants, Kotaris, Tanedars, every one of you who are sitting with us through Nityananda TV, Lotus News Channel, Sadhana TV and Janashri TV and two-way video conferencing, having Naina Diksha in so many countries, so many cities all over the world. The city is sitting with us in two-way video conferencing, having Naina Diksha. San Jose, Madurai, Toronto, Kailasam, Ohio, Prayag, Phoenix, Kanchipuram, Los Angeles, Arunachalam, Toronto, Kailasam, Seattle, Chidambaram, Kuala Lumpur, Palani, Guadalupe, Rameshwaram, Nityananda Nagaramu, Hyderabad, Charlotte, Srisailam, Oklahoma, Somanatham, Singapore, Singapuram, Houston, Kalahasti, Bangalore Center, Jorpati, Nepal, Camas, Hong Kong, Acapulco, Mexico, Hong Kong, Sirgari, Dubai, Vaidyanatham, Hyderabad, Guptakashi, Oman, Sivagangai, Tiruvanmiyur, Chennai, Scottsdale, Arizona, Colorado Springs, USA, Hosur, Dhyanapeetham, Rajapalayam, Nityananda Dhyanapeetham. I welcome all of you with my love.
Le doy la bienvenida a
and
todos
blessings.
ustedes con mi amor y respeto y bendiciones.
Today, Mahadeva is gracing in Sahambari Alankara, means wearing vegetables
El día de hoy
as
Mahadeva está usando los
his
vegetales
ornaments
como sus ornamentos,
in the form
decoraciones.
of hunter. Mahadeva is gracing in Agama tradition.
En la
This
tradición
is
ágama,
very unique Alankara,
esta es
where the
una
deity is
alankara
completely covered
única
with the vegetables. It is called Sahambari Alankara.
तत्र सूर्यो भाति न चन्द्रतारकं नेमा विद्युतो भान्ति कुतो यमग्निः तमेव भान्तम् अनुभाति सर्वं तस्य भासा सर्वमिदं विभाति ॐ राजाधिराजाय प्रसख्य साहिने नमो वयं वै श्रवणाय कुर्महे समे कामान् कामकामाय मह्यम् कामेश्वरो वै श्रवणो ददातु कुबेराय वै श्रवणाय महाराजाय नमः कर्पूरगौरं करुणावतारं संसारसारं भुजगेन्द्रहारं सदा वसन्तं हृदयारविन्दे भवं भवानी सहितं नमामि. नित्यानन्देश्वर्यं पादमेत श्री नित्यानन्देश्वर परशिवाय नमः. महामङ्गलनीराजन ज्योतिः.
I also have one more good news for all of you.
Una
Honorable
otra
High Court
nueva
of Karnataka
buena
has
noticia.
stayed the order passed by one local officer to dismantle our Gurukul and shift all the kids to the nearby schools. The order has been stayed by Honorable High Court of Karnataka. So, I wanted to tell all the parents of the Gurukul kids and the Gurukul kids, we will continue to run the Gurukul. Thank you.
Quería informar a todos los padres de los niños del Gurukul y a todos los del Gurukul que vamos a continuar con el Gurukul.
I'll move to today's satsang subject. Before moving to the satsang subject, maybe I can give one or two references just for the sake of the Gurukul teachers, students,
Antes de empezar con
and
el
the parents of
discurso, quizás podría
Gurukul
dar una
kids.
referencia para los maestros
We
del
have a very
Gurukul,
clear
para que tengan
legal protection given by the Constitution, Indian Constitution, and
dice
even the
que
circular,
tenemos la
Government of
protección
India,
clara que se nos
Ministry
ha
of
dado
Human
por la
Resource Development,
Constitución
Department of School Education and
para
Literacy,
el Gurukul.
the circular dated, the circular F number 115 by 2010 E4 very clearly says in the third point, institutions including madrasa and Vedic padashalas, especially serving religious and linguistic minorities, are protected under Article 29 and 30 of the Constitution. The RTE, Right
Está
to Education
resumiendo la
Act,
protección
does not come in the way of continuance of such
del
institutions
Gurukul,
or
de
the rights
la
of
protección de la
children in such
institución que
institutions.
está proveyendo el Gurukul.
So, I am a religious organization. Nityananda Dhyanapidam is a religious organization, and Nityananda Gurukul is directly serving religious organization. And I am also a linguistic minority in Karnataka. It was signed by one Mr. Vikram Sahai, director, with a telefax number 23381470. So these are the details of the circular. Thanks to all the Swamis, great Swamis who stood by us very strongly and supported us, like Shantavira Mahaswamiji of Kodadamat Mahasamsthana and other gurus who are strongly protecting our Gurukul and giving us all the legal advice necessary.
Agradeciendo a los que nos ha dado la
We
explicación
also thank the
legal,
Honorable High Court
la protección legal
for
para proteger a
protecting us.
nuestros Gurukul.
We trust Indian judiciary and God. Nityanandeshwara Devasthanam is religious institution.
Tenemos la
Nityananda
confianza
Gurukul is
del
directly associated with
sistema
religious
legal
institutions. Serving the
y nos
religious
ponemos a las
institution,
manos
it is
de
Vedic
Dios.
Padashala, it is Vedic Gurukul. So we will continue to exist. There is a clear Supreme Court judgment also. Maybe I will give the judgment number. The whole judgment is available with me here. Maybe later on we will provide this. Writ petition C number 95 of 2010. In that judgment, Supreme Court has very clearly spelled it out. I'll move to today's satsang subject.
Vamos a empezar con el discurso del día de hoy.
How the science of completion,
Como la ciencia de la
when
completud,
added with the devotion,
combinado con la devoción,
becomes a powerful
se convierte en un poderoso,
experience of liberation.
una poderosa experiencia de
Please
la
understand.
liberación.
First time I am going to
Es la primera vez que
connect
voy a
these two
conectar
sciences,
estas dos,
science of completion
la
and
ciencia
science
de la
of surrender.
completud y la
in the
ciencia de la devoción,
Traditional bhakti literatures,
la
the
literatura
Dasa
bhakti,
Parampara, Kanakadasa, Purantaradasa, Vittaladasa,
la
Bhakti
literatura bhakti
Sampradaya
tradicional
of the great Shaiva Nayanmars
de Shaiva Nayamas,
and Kanakadasa, Purantaradasa, Vittaladasa, Dasa Parampara. The great devotees like Meera, Andal,
los grandes
Chaitanya
devotos
Mahaprabhu
como Mira Andar,
from the Narada's Bhakti Sutras,
de las Naradas Bhakti Sutras,
the whole Bhakti Sampradaya
todo el Bhakti Sampradaya
finally evolves
finalmente
to the
evoluciona
ultimate surrender. We call it Atma Sharanagati. And the
Atma
science of
Sharanagati.
completion. The science of
la
completion
ciencia de completud
is from the Advaita Sampradaya,
es de la Advaita Sampradaya,
Yoga Vedanta Sampradaya.
Yoga Vedanta
The
Sampradaya.
science of surrender is from Bhakti Sampradaya.
La ciencia de
How
el
both complement
entregarte
each other. Please understand. Ultimately, the complete completion happens
la completud completa
when you don't
sucede
even bother about complete completion.
cuando ni siquiera te molestas de completa completud.
Even the desire or the effort for the complete completion
deseo.
is surrendered.
El deseo y el
Even when that
esfuerzo
effort is
te entrega
surrendered
las
at the feet
plantas
of the
de
divine, the complete completion happens.
Así sucede
The
la
science of
completa
surrender.
completud. La
Please
ciencia
listen,
de la devoción.
listen sincerely
Escuchen
and
sinceramente,
intensely.
intensamente.
The more and more and more completion you do,
Entre más y más completud
the more
hagas,
and more and more the surrender starts happening in you.
de
I
igual
need to
manera
define surrender.
la
Surrender
devoción y
is
la
no way
entrega te
starts
hace
with
más y más y
powerlessness
más.
or gives you the powerlessness experience or ends in powerlessness. Surrender starts with powerfulness, leads you
entrega y la
from power
devoción
to more
empieza
powerfulness,
con
ends in
poder,
ultimate powerfulness.
sentirte poderoso y termina
Surrender is
soltando
no way
tu
connected to
impotencia.
powerlessness. Many times in your powerlessness, that giving up, you call it as surrender. No,
Muchas de las veces tú
giving
piensas
up
que
is not
el
surrender.
rendirte es entregarte,
Giving
pero
up
no.
is not surrender. ध्यान से
Rendirte
सुनिए.
no es entrega,
Listen.
¿entiende?
Giving up is not surrender.
Entregarte no
A
es
Shiva Bhakta
rendirte.
will never give up on himself or
Un
others.
Shivastra nunca se va a dar por vencido. No se va a rendir para nadie.
Surrender doesn't come by powerlessness.
La entrega no viene a través de la
It
impotencia.
comes by tremendous powerfulness.
Llega
The science
a
of
través de
completion
tu poder, del sentirse
and the
poderoso.
science of
La ciencia de
powerfulness
completud y la ciencia
both complement each other. The
Estas dos
science
ciencias
of completion
de completud
and science of powerfulness both
y de sentirte
complement each
poderoso
other.
van mano a
When you
mano.
complete more and more, you become powerful.
Entre más
When you
completas más
surrender
y
more
más,
and more, you become powerful.
te conviertes más y más
More
poderoso.
completion leads to more surrender
Más
leads to more
completud
completion.
te lleva al entrego. Más entrego te lleva.
Completion is nothing but
A la
falling in love with your higher self.
Completud es solamente el enamoramiento con tu yo soy.
Decide to reside in the higher
contigo
self.
mismo. Decide residir en ese espacio de tu yo soy.
Surrender is nothing but falling in love with the embodiment of higher self, your Ishta Devata.
El entrega
Your
es nada
Ishta
más el enamoramiento
is nothing but
con tu
your
Ishta
higher
Devata,
self.
con tu yo soy. Tu Ishta
Surrender
es
should
simplemente
lead
tu
to
yo
more and
soy.
more Ishta, not Kashta.
Entrega para que vivas más y más en tu Ishta.
Naturally, surrender leads you to more and more
La
powerfulness,
entrega
not
natural
powerlessness.
te lleva a sentirte más y más
It leads to
poderoso.
more and more powerfulness, more and more joy, more
Más y
and more
más felicidad.
strength. Understand?
¿Entienden?
When you carry the space of surrender,
Cuando cargas el espacio de la
everything in the
entrega,
life listens
todo
to
en
you.
tu vida Empieza a escucharte.
Even a plant drops all its
Aún
thorns
una
just by your
planta
request.
se pone a tus pies.
How do you think just our Gurukul kids are able to talk to plants
¿Cómo
and
crees que nuestros
the
niños de
plants are
grupo
listening to
pueden
them?
hablarle a las plantas y las plantas los escuchan?
And they are dropping their thorns. Understand?
Y
It is not a
sueltan
myth or a story I'm
tus
talking.
espinas, ¿entienden?
We can show you in front of your eyes.
Lo podemos demostrar en frente
The
de sus ojos.
surrender makes you
Cuando te entregas,
deeply powerful. The space of completion makes
te
you
hace,
deeply powerful.
te mantiene en un espacio de poder,
Surrender
en el
is
espacio de completud.
misinterpreted, given wrong meaning in the
La
Western
entrega siempre está mal
thought
entendido,
trends.
no está interpretado correctamente.
There the word is used more like in the war when you lose, you drop all the
La
weapons and
entrega siempre
surrender.
lo dicen
Here
a
I am not
través
using
del
in that
rendirte.
meaning.
Aquí
The
no
word
estamos
surrender has totally
hablando de
different
esa
meaning
misma
in the Bhakti
significado
literatures.
en la literatura de Bhakti.
So maybe I may not even want to use the word surrender in English. I'll use the word Sharanagati.
Sharanagati
Just
es la
in
palabra que
Sanskrit.
se usa en la literatura Bhakti.
Saranagati.
Saranagati.
It's such powerfulness. The powerfulness radiated by the devotees. Andal was not weak. Akkamadevi was not weak. Meera was not weak. Kanakadasa, Purandaradasa, Vittaladasa. All the great Dasa Sampradaya.
Todos los grandes dasas sampradayas.
Devotees are not weak.
Los devotos no son débiles.
They were never weak.
Nunca fueron débiles.
Understand?
Entiendan.
Kanaka Purandara Vittala Dasas. Meera, Akkamma, Andal. All of them are not weak.
Todos de ellos no fueron débiles, no son
They
débiles.
all lived in the space of powerfulness.
Todos vivieron en el espacio de poder.
Even completion you can intellectually grasp even if you don't practice. Just watch the satsang.
Aún
You
la
will intellectually
completud la
grasp
puedes
what is
entender,
the
aunque no
completion,
lo
what
estés
is the
haciendo,
power
no
of
lo
completion. I am sure.
no lo puedes
The completion
entender.
can be understood even if you listen intellectually.
Si escuchas
But the
intelectualmente,
Sharanagati is surrender.
lo puedes
You need
captar.
to see somebody experiencing and radiating it.
Tienes que ver a alguien
You need to be
experimentando
around
esta
some great
energía,
bhakta,
irradiando
devotee.
esta energía.
Because it is such a beautiful experience.
Porque es una
You need
experiencia
to
bella,
see that radiating in the body language.
donde puedes ver eso irradiando en lenguaje corporal.
Saranagati, surrender. Can't be understood just by the intellectual. Intellectually, if you try to understand, it will only lead to that surrender happens during the war period. Only that meaning you will get it. Which is out of powerlessness.
Intelectualmente,
Kind of a giving up, a
intelectualmente si
failure,
tratas de
drop out.
comprender qué significa
But
el
Bhakta
rendirte,
Sampradayas,
lo
the
ves
Bhakti traditions do
como
not
cuando uno se
mean that
rinde
kind of a surrender.
durante una batalla,
Here.
durante una guerra. Eso no es el significado aquí. Estamos
You
hablando de
become
la
more
entrega de
and
la
more
devoción.
powerful, more and more strong, more and more intelligent.
Cuando haces eso, te
Bhakti
conviertes
Sampradaya.
más y más poderoso, fuerte,
Its
inteligente.
definition of surrender is totally different. So understand,
Entiendan,
more and more practice of surrender
más y
leads to
más
more and
entrega
more experience of
y
completion.
devoción te lleva
More
más y
and more
más a
experience of completion
experimentar
leads to more and more
la completud.
practice of surrender.
Mientras
Today I
más
just want to
practicas la
introduce
entrega y la
this theory,
devoción, empiezas más y más y más a
the
experimentar
science.
con la completud.
Next few days I will
En los próximos
expand
días
on
voy a expandir
the nuances, the details
en los detalles
of these both sciences and how both
de estas dos
sciences
ciencias
complement each other,
y cómo
support
estas
each
dos
other.
ciencias van una con la otra.
Knowledge leads to power.
El entendimiento te lleva
The way of
al poder.
thinking, if your way of thinking,
Si
if
tu
it is
manera
leading you more and more
de
power,
pensar te está
making you
llevando
more
más y
and
más
more
a sentirte
powerful every
más
day,
poderoso,
you are thinking
día
in
con
right
día,
direction.
entonces
If your
tu pensar,
thinking is
tu forma
making
de
you
ver las
powerless
cosas
every day,
te está llevando
you are
y
thinking
te
in
está
wrong
conduciendo a la
direction.
dirección
Please
correcta.
listen.
Pero
Whether
si
it
tus
is
pensamientos, creencias te llevan a
violence
sentirte
is not power.
impotente, a experimentar la
It
impotencia,
actually
entonces
makes you
te
powerless.
lleva,
That is why you become violent.
vas en la dirección
The
incorrecta.
world, life, universe responds to exactly the way you behave with it.
La vida, el universo, el mundo responde de exacta
If you are
manera así como
violent,
tú te
constantly
comportas con
violence
ella.
is given back to you.
Si tú eres violento, eso
If you
mismo
are
te va a
peaceful,
regresar.
how many ever people try to disturb you, harm you, they will not be able to be successful. Constantly you are given the peace and victory again and again.
Si tienes las condiciones correctas, nada te va a molestar, sea lo que sea que te tire la vida, tú vas a seguir y
When the
seguir
science
en un
of
espacio de paz.
completion connects with the science of surrender,
Una vez
the
más,
space you create
completud,
becomes reality.
la completud
Because
se conecta con la ciencia
all your
de la
individual
devoción, de la entrega,
incompletions should be completed.
y eso se
When you
manifiesta
are complete,
en
your
poder,
individual
en
identity
sentirte
should be
poderoso.
surrendered to the cosmos. Then cosmos functions through you. Individual identity is made out of bunch of incompletions.
La identidad individual está
When all those
compuesta de
incompletions are
pura
complete,
incompletud.
You surrender yourself to the cosmos, I tell you.
Entrégate, simplemente y sencillamente
Please listen.
entrégate al cosmos.
Whenever you do tapas,
Cuando hagas tapas,
especially a sincere routine with integrity,
especialmente una rutina
like how we do in
sincera,
our Sangha, early morning,
así como lo
everyday
hacemos
yoga,
en el Sangha todos los días, en las mañanas hacemos yoga,
completing with the body,
completando con el cuerpo
then all the panchakriyas,
y todos los panchakriyas,
all the great spiritual truths, completing with the mind and soul,
después completando
creating
con la
the
mente
Vedic
y
mind.
el alma.
Actually, after some time, you guys even take it for granted. Do you see? If we study, we will prove it.
Ven, a
We are
veces,
the
después de que se vuelva esa una rutina, a veces lo damos por hecho.
largest community in the world with the lowest physical disorders. Any illness,
Miren,
physical and mental both.
el
Please
hinduismo,
understand.
somos la comunidad más grande en el
If we
mundo.
start recording, we may be able to even create a Guinness
Con
record. The largest
salud.
community living together with the lowest
Con
physical or mental sickness.
pocos problemas psicológicos, mentales
With such minimum food,
y corporales,
so much
con tan poca
intense
comida,
thinking and working.
pero con trabajo
You
intenso.
guys take health for granted.
Ustedes toman
Do
la
you know the people
salud
living outside
por
the
hecho.
world regularly fall sick and go to doctors? But this integrated routine,
Pero estas rutinas integradas,
when you follow it so authentically,
cuando están siendo seguidas auténticamente,
automatically your body and
tu
mind
cuerpo automáticamente,
goes to the space
tu
of
mente
completion.
automáticamente te lleva al espacio de completud.
From that space of completion,
Desde ese espacio de completud
if you surrender,
te entregas.
any space you create becomes reality.
Y
God
cualquier
supports you, God
cosa
protects you.
que entregas se convierte en una
Experiencing the
realidad.
signs of surrender and
Dios
completion
te apoya.
is what I call Kalpataru.
I bless you
Este
all.
gran espacio de
Let you
completud y
all
de entrega
radiate
es lo que yo
with
llamo
integrity,
Kalpataru.
authenticity, responsibility, and enriching with eternal bliss. Nityananda. Thank you.
ನಿತ್ಯಾನಂದ ಧ್ಯಾನಪೀಠಂ ನಿತ್ಯಾನಂದ ನಗರ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೈಸೂರ್ ರೋಡ್ ಬಿಡದಿ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಫೋನ್ 08027279999 www.nityananda.org www.youtube.com/lifeblissfoundation